Let me show you the best features I found for Soundcore Space One. So first we need to open a Soundcore app. Then when your device is connected to your smartphone, you can select Add a Device and connect with it. And if you don't have this app, you can find it on the Google Play Store or App Store if you're an iOS user. And now when we open our settings, we'll be able to see all of the features. So first one I'm going to cover is ambient sound. You can switch between noise cancellation, normal mode, or transparency mode. And in this case, noise cancellation is really good. You can enable wind noise reduction, and that way you won't be able to hear anything from outside. It's a really good feature on this headset. Then we have a sound effects, which allows you to customize your equalizer. You can go with the default presets, use Hear ID sound, which will require a setup, so make sure to wear your headset and follow instructions on screen. And then there's the custom equalizer, which allows you to create a custom profiles for the equalizer, and you can create multiple different options here as well. Choose whichever option you like. You can experiment with each of them and see which one is the best for you. Then we can move to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, navigate to sound mode, and right there you'll be able to enable preferred audio quality to LDAC, which improves your quality for the headset by a lot. So this will take around 10 seconds to switch between two different modes, and make sure to do it. But in all honesty, that would be all of the features I found interesting on this device.